name is Ella King, owner of Zoe Grace Salon and Med Spa. Today I'm going to show you how to use your deep conditioning mask. I'm going to go ahead and lean back for me, Violet. So first you're going to shampoo. It's always best to use a professional grade clarifying shampoo. And then you're going to rinse really well. After you rinse really well, you're going to wring your hair out so you just kind of get the water out of the ends. And then you're going to towel dry your hair. So you just put a little hand towel over your shower. You're going to towel dry your hair to remove any excess water. And then you're going to get your mask. So one of these containers is one full mask. So there are two masks right here. You're going to get the mask out of your container, and then you're going to put it in the palms of your hands. You're going to lightly coat the outside, the palms of your hands. And then you're going to lightly coat the outside of your hair, starting at your ends. And then you're going to work it through. You can always add a little more from your palms on your fingertips. You start to work it through all of your hair. Some people go all the way to their scalp. Some people stay a little bit out from their scalp. You're going to let that sit on your hair and saturate for 3 to 5 minutes at a minimum. And then you're gonna come back to rinse it. So when you rinse your hair, you wanna make sure to start at your hairline and work your way back, through your crown and through the back. But you wanna focus on rinsing at your scalp really well. That's the key. That's the most important part, to make sure that the mask doesn't make it feel like it's weighing your hair down. So you're gonna lift and separate, and the water is going to run through at your scalp here, and then do the sides, and then do your crown. Make sure you get thoroughly all through here, and then the sides again, and then in the back you might even separate it and let the water run through. But you have to lift your hair from your scalp so that the water can penetrate through and rinse your scalp really well. After you're done using these masks and you feel how amazing they make your hair feel, come stop in and we'll prescribe the perfect take-home mask for you for a weekly regimen.